you gorgeous lot, welcome back. So I've got a little bit of a swatch for you. In this I've got 3 brand new unreleased colours. So nope, they are not on the website. They haven't been released yet. This is the only sneaky peek you are going to get until they do go live. As for when they go live, I have no idea as of yet. So also as well, I have the Christmas... I'll get my words out today. I will. Come on. I have got the Christmas collection, brand new Christmas collection on its way. So I'm going to be doing a swatching video for you as well, so you can have a look at those colours if you want to have a nosy before you buy. And also I just wanted to point out, this green is life. Like, I absolutely hate green with a passion. I can't stand it. It's horrible. But this, like this minty green, oh yes! Bring on spring, bitches! Bring on spring! Harmony is another recent new one, a new edition. Can't remember when it was. It was like a couple of weeks ago when this got released as well. Beautiful purple. Beautiful. Have you ever looked at a colour that's got like this one, right? So, Latte. Doesn't it make you think of like going to make a latte though? Because it looks like identical to a latte. It's like, I just want to lick it just to see if it tastes like coffee, and then it's acrylic, don't lick it. That's stupid. Yeah, I know, I'm weird. I'm pretty sure that you've all kind of figured that out by now, right? And if you haven't, well, now you know! I should have got some Candyfloss on bonfire night. I went to Bramley Park this year because they usually have like a little fun fair, but they only have teacups and saucers there this year. It was a bit crap, a bit disappointing. But they had like Candyfloss stands, and I was like, "Ooh, should I buy some?" And then I thought of my 3-year-old son, and I was like, "No, let's not buy some. Don't really need him to be climbing the walls at like 9 o'clock at night. No, thank you." Or ever, in fact, ever. No. And this one right here, right? This is another one that when you put it on, you go like, oh, a roar. And that is a sexy pink. Oh yeah. Brighton Blue is a another recent colour to be released as well. The first one of the unreleased colours is this Fever, which is a beautiful burnt orange. This one is like my new favourite for winter. It's got like the particles, or it's got it, of the glitter dust that's in there. It makes it appear to be like a metallic blue. So like if we're doing winter ice designs or a frozen theme, that is going to be like an amazing blue to use. It'll look fab. And then this Domino, this is a new glitter acrylic mix. Now it's basically a hollow dust silver, and it has like multi-cut pieces in it of black and like a brushed steel silver, so it's like a flat silver rather than a sparkle. So like because it has like the matte effect in there as well as the can't get my words out again. I like the glossy dust and then having the matte finish of the silver. It just looks really funky. I used this as like a glitter trail on a Day of the Dead set that I did for my mum, and it looked really nice. So it's already pre-mixed as an acrylic mix, so it's ready to straight into the monomer, into the powder and onto the nail. But don't forget to cap so you don't file away the glitter. So remember to keep your eyes peeled for the upcoming video of the Christmas collection. It is already available to buy on the website if you want to. It's just a little video to show them all up close again. And I will see you in a couple of days. Bye bye!